Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. So today I have something exclusive to show you all from Logitech. Keeping that aside, a lot of you people were actually asking in my other videos like, hey Vimal, can you cover some gaming related peripherals on the channel? And I thought, hey, that is not a bad idea. I should definitely give it a try. So what I've done is I've actually categorized peripherals into, three different categories. So I'll be going like budget wise. I'll be covering budget category peripherals, then we'll be checking out mid-range one and also premium category peripherals. And by peripherals, I mean, keyboards, mice, headsets, and these sort of stuff. And the first product that I've ordered has arrived, and this one is from Logitech, guys. So Logitech has recently launched their brand new gaming headset, and that too it's a wireless model, guys, and goes by the name LightSpeed G733. It's their top of the line premium wireless gaming headset that packs some really decent features. Like it comes with their signature Pro G40mm drivers on board and also has RGB lighting on it. So today in this video, I'm gonna unbox it and we'll be checking out this headset. So let's get started. Alright guys, so here's our new gaming headset from Logitech G, the G733 Lightspeed series RGB gaming headset. It's a wireless model and comes in this sort of box packaging. We've got the Logitech G branding on the front, a picture of the product on all the sides, and mentions some of its highlights at the back side. See, this is one of their top end model that features the Pro G40mm drivers, supports DTS Headphone X 2.0 and comes with fully customizable RGB lighting as well. I'll go in depth and talk about all these at a later part. First, let's get started with the unboxing. Let me just cut this seal over here. There we go. Now let's unbox and check out the product. We've got some info on the connectivity part here. Just have a look at that. So the outer cover slides out like this, and on the inside, we've got one more box packaging that says keep playing at the top. This is actually an accessory box for the headset which includes all the other cables and stuff, so we'll come back to this in a moment. And here is our new G733 headset. You also have some paperwork on the bottom, just make sure to give it a glance. That's it guys, these are all the stuff we got in the package. So before we check out the actual headset, let me quickly show you the accessories. In the package, you get a Type-C cable for charging, a 2.4 GHz wireless dongle for the headset, and a detachable boom microphone. It's got a cardioid type pickup pattern with a frequency response range from 100 Hz to 10 kHz. That's it, these are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let me show you the headset. Finally, the G733 Lightspeed in the hand. Oh wow, now that is what I'm talking about. It's Logitech G's top of the line wireless gaming headset and looks awesome. By the way, I have to mention the headset feels quite lightweight in the hand, weighs only around 278 grams. Let me give you all a closer look and then talk about the design and the build quality. The G733 has a premium look and feel. You can just tell that by holding it in your hand. You've got the Logitech G branding on both the ear cups and the build quality feels top notch. It's entirely made of polycarbonate to keep the weight minimum. The headset has a contour design and comes in two-tone matte plus gloss finish. So let me just show you all the available connectivity ports on it. There's a USB Type-C port for charging, a power button, a volume control wheel, and a microphone mute button as well. That's it over here, and going to the other ear cup, well, there's actually nothing over here. Coming to the headband, it's got a contour design with a suspension strap design to offer you a comfortable experience while using. And yes, it's also adjustable to fit almost any head size. Coming to the cushioning part, Logitech G has used high quality memory foam ear pads with breathable fabric that feel very soft and spongy. You've got the left and right indications as well, and the suspension strap is also pretty good and is actually reversible and also replaceable, guys. So that's it, that was our complete overview on the design and the build quality. Now let me just put them on and talk about the comfort and the sound. So guys, don't go by the looks here. The G733 might look huge, but trust me, they feel quite lightweight and feel super comfortable to wear for long time usage. I didn't feel any sort of stress on my head even after using it for like 2 to 3 hours thanks to that soft suspension strap. Now before we dive into the audio quality, let me tell you about the connectivity part. It's a wireless headset and comes with Logitech G's LightSpeed technology, which the brand says that it offers very less latency and is as reliable as a direct wired connection. And let me tell you, my friends, I've been using it for the past few days, right? The connection was rock solid and stable even though I was walking around my house wearing the headset from room to room. It's got a range of around 20 meters and I didn't face any sorts of lags or delays also while gaming or even while streaming video content. For your info, it's only compatible with PC and PlayStation consoles and doesn't support wired connectivity option. Now coming to the sound, Man, I was blown away by the sound quality. It features their Pro G series 40mm drivers, and the mids felt crisp and clear. The vocal clarity was very good, and you could easily hear and understand all the dialogues in a game with great clarity. The high frequency response was also decent, was producing smooth treble with minimum harshness. And coming to the bass was also nice. It was producing great low frequency rumble with satisfactory bass. Especially sounds like gun firings and blastings while playing games like PUBG, Battlefield felt quite realistic and awesome. If you ask about THD, the distortion was minimum even up to 95% volume level. Now coming to the best part, the G733 also supports DTS Headphone X 2.0 for that next level 7.1 virtual surround sound. You can completely customize the sound EQ profile as well as the surround sound experience using Logitech's G Hub software. You've got a couple of predefined profiles that you can choose from or enable DTS Super Stereo mode and individually adjust the gain of all 7 channels plus the LFE as per your taste. DTS Headphone X 2.0 definitely makes a difference while gaming. It creates a much wider soundstage and helps you easily identify things like the direction of gun firings, the enemy footstep movements, and much more. Great for esport and competitive gamers. One last thing I have to mention is these sort of gaming headsets are usually not that great for music, but that was not the case over here. Turn off surround sound effect and switch it to the stereo mode, and boom, amazing quality sound even while listening to music. Alright, so let's talk about the microphone. Alright guys, so as mentioned at the beginning, the headset comes with a detachable boom microphone, and the audio that you're listening to right now is from this microphone only. And one more thing I forgot to mention is the microphone on it is powered by Blue Voice, and Logitech's G Hub software actually offers some predefined EQ profiles which you can choose from and apply your own custom EQ profiles as per your taste. So hello check 1 2 3, what do you think about the microphone's quality? Do let me know in the comment section down below. Wait a second, I haven't told you about the RGB, right? How can we miss that? The G733 features a 2-zone RGB lighting on the ear cups, and they're also fully customizable using the software. You've got around 5 effects to choose from. The LEDs on it are quite bright and give a beautiful look to the headset. So guys, we are almost coming to an end, and before we wrap it up, let me tell you about the battery life. The battery life is excellent on this model considering that it's got RGB also on board. On an average, with the lighting turned on and the volume set to around like 90%, I was getting around 16 to 18 hours of battery life. Turn off RGB and you'll easily get around 26 to 27 hours of battery life. Well guys, that's it for today. That was my review on Logitech G's new LightSpeed G733. It's a great wireless gaming headset for the price. Lightweight, offers great comfort, excellent sound quality, has RGB also, and offers a long-lasting battery life. The only thing I felt is the audio output on it could have been slightly a bit more higher. And one more thing I really wish it had was a wired connectivity option so that we could even use it with our smartphones. Apart from that, everything else was good. The G733 costs around 15,495 rupees in India. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.